How to do page sections in Squarespace. To do that, first head over to your Squarespace editor, and from there you should be able to see your actual edited page. So when you hover to any section and in between them, you can find this add section option. Just proceed to click on this. After you have done that, this will open in here this window wherein you can actually just choose what kind of section you want. So for the page sections, we have in here contact pages, about pages, people, as well as products and other things. So for this example, let's choose in here contact page and let's choose in here this one. So technically, you should be able to add right here a section that it should be a page. Click on the layout that you wish to use, wait for a few seconds, and then that layout will be added right here and you can now find them on your editor. Proceed to save this and you should be good to go. So that's how you do page sections in Squarespace. Hope we help.